get it in front of customers as quickly as possible.
Got it.
And we do that in a few stages. One is we'll do a very high-level user interview or just a discussion with the customer. We'll jump on the phone, talk to them about their pain points and their problems within the context of what we're trying to build. The other piece of it is we'll actually do very deep user interviews. So or user tests, right? So we'll develop a prototype once we've kind of got through the requirements and we've come up with what we think is a good solution. And we usually have one of the designers leading the project. They'll set up time with the customer, and we'll do a user test. And we usually do anywhere from 5 to 10 user tests on a prototype before we feel comfortable releasing it.
Cool.
And that is super valuable. So sometimes you have to cut corners, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes there's things that are just very obvious that you don't necessarily need to run through that entire process.
Mm-hmm.
But for the most of the time, when there are bigger features that you're trying to build and release, it's really, really important to try and stick to that process because you learn a lot through it.
Mm-hmm.
And the assumptions you come up with at the kickoff meeting often change by the time you get through your user tests.
Yeah.
So it's really, really important that you go through that process.